Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. What we're going to do on this episode is teach you how to create a wallet step by step. If you guys don't know, I've been investing into crypto for over 6 years. Also, I have unboxed and reviewed over 20 hardware wallets. So when it comes to crypto wallets, I know a thing or two. By the end of this video, you will have a working crypto wallet where you can send and receive Bitcoin like a pro. First, let's pick the right wallet for you. First, we have the mobile wallets. These are simple and easy to set up. Good examples of these will be the BlueWallet, Exodus wallet, and the Trust wallet. Next, we have a desktop wallet. Here we have a little more control. A good desktop wallet would be something like the Exodus wallet. Here we have a multi-asset wallet where we get exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and so on. We could also do things like staking and more. Number 3, we have an exchange wallet. These are simple to use, simple to set up. However, these are not non-custodial, meaning if the exchange ever goes down, you could lose access to your crypto. A good centralized exchange is going to be something like crypto.com, Binance, or Coinbase. If you want to, you can set up one of these exchanges very easily and they work, but I believe there are better options out there. And finally, number 4 is going to be a hardware wallet. This is going to give you the best level of security for your crypto. So for these, you've got your Tangent wallet, your Ledgers, your Trezors. These are fantastic options. If you guys want, check out the links down in the description below. I've got tutorials on which ones to buy and which ones to set up. If you're a beginner, I recommend setting up a mobile wallet. If you're holding a lot of Bitcoin or other digital assets, I recommend picking up a hardware wallet for the extra layer of protection. Now, let's set up a crypto wallet using Exodus. Follow these steps. Download Exodus Wallet from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, select Create a New Wallet. Next, back up your seed phrase. This is going to be 12 to 24 words that you can then import in the case that you ever lose your device. This is very important. Your Exodus wallet is now ready. First, before we get into sending, let's talk a little bit about security. Here are some security tips. Rule number 1, you never share your seed phrase. If someone gets access to your seed phrase, they can take your crypto. Use a strong PIN and enable two-factor authentication, also referred to as 2FA. This is going to give you an extra layer of security before signing transactions. Next, you always want to do software updates. Keep your wallet updated. This will help you with any vulnerabilities. Again, consider a hardware wallet. This will offer the best layer of protection for your crypto. If you guys are interested, I recommend you watch the best hardware wallets for 2025. In that video, we get into buying hardware wallets and which ones are best depending on your use case. Check out the link tree in the description below. There you can save money on different hardware wallets. Now we're going to get into sending and receiving crypto. For this example, we're going to use Bitcoin. To receive Bitcoin, tap Receive in the Bitcoin wallet. Copy your Bitcoin address or scan the QR code. Share it with the sender. To send Bitcoin, tap Send in the Bitcoin wallet. Paste the recipient's Bitcoin address or scan their QR code. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Review and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind, transactions may take a little bit of time depending on the network fees. All right, so that is how you set up a crypto wallet. Guys, comment down below, what is your most used wallet? Also, check out the link tree. And with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.